Got to get it, Papa. Hello everybody. You get a double wave today because we're hitting the road and we're on our way and all that, and I'm so excited. I had to come all the way to Pearl River and on the interstate so I could find this. Look that! Finally, after how many months, it's a frosted purple thunder from the Circle K here in Pearl River, right off the interstate. Oh, I'm all excited. I haven't tried it yet. I just got it and filled up my special cup here, and looking at its purpleness. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, ready. Let's see if it tastes as good as regular purple thunder. Mmm, thundery. Oh, that's good. Oh, it's so good. I want to drink it all, but I gotta pace myself. So, I don't get too hyped up on purple thunder while I'm driving. You know what I mean? Okay. Oh, so we're off to a good start. Got a long way to go. We're fixing to bust across the border into Mississippi, and it's a long haul through there, and so soon you get to see where we're going. But I'm all excited. Oh, that made my day. Made my day. If you can't tell, I'm all excited. Okay, well, I better throw it in reverse and we peel out of here. Well, here I am, and standing behind me is an interesting friend, and that's because I stopped here in Meridian, Mississippi to get me something to eat at the Rib Shack, and I'm super hungry, so I hope they have something good. That frosted purple thunder cooled me off, but now I'm hungry. Yep, here we are. Ooh, and you can see smoke coming out of the back right there. So you know it's really, oh man, it smells good too. I'm not even inside and it smells good. Oh yeah. This is where it all happens. Oh man. Now I got pulled pork. I ordered pulled pork, and I'm looking at ribs. I might get some ribs.
That's our smoker for the pulled pork in the brisket right there.
Okay, on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one.
Oh man, that smells good. Oh yeah. Golly. Oh, that looks good. That definitely looks good. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I mean, I got the sauce on it. You can get it separate if you want. But I got the sauce on it. And oh man, that looks good. That looks good.
You got nothing, you ain't got no, man, you can go get one. Go get one. Go get you one, man.
This good stuff. Oh, that's a lot.
It doesn't care about you. There's one thing I had that on. I don't even have it. Yeah.
You celebrate get that beautiful grandson.
Don't let dinner in your house.
Oh, that's
Don't do it.
Delicious. Yeah, I guess you could say it was pretty good. That was good. Oh, well. Yes. The rib shack, that was awesome. Pulled pork sandwich, it was simple, wasn't a complicated order. I just got something good. The pulled pork sandwich and the mac and cheese, and it did the trick. It topped me off. And but now I have to go back after seeing those ribs. Oh, I figure it's as good a time as any to start cluing y'all in onto where we're going on this exciting Luke Dad adventure. Because we've been up to the Birmingham, Alabama area a couple of times, and I'm headed to the Birmingham, Alabama area, but I'm gonna pass right through it. Yeah, I'm gonna pass right through it like you tow through a sock. And wow, you see all kind of stuff along the interstate. I don't know. I can't. It's too late to show it. Whatever it was. Anyway, but yes, I'm continuing on after that delicious lunch and everything. We're headed on up. We're gonna cut through Alabama and go all the way up to Chattanooga, Tennessee. Yeah, Chattanooga, and I don't know what the motto is. It's like the land of not the land of enchantment, the land of the country's bread bowl or something. I don't remember what it's called. They have I'm sure they have a little some kind of a motto or something. The land of rivers and hills or something. I don't know. It's got to be more exciting than that. But anyway, but we have we do have exciting things to do up in Chattanooga, because it wouldn't be a Luke Dot if it wasn't all exciting and exciting for you. Did I say exciting? Anyway, so that's where we're headed, all the way up through Alabama, and then I think a little teeny tiny corner of Georgia, and then you hit Chattanooga. Hiya, you there. So we're doing pretty good right now, so it won't be too long. I'm passing the Simmons Wright hardware store, where it was a while back. I stopped there and had lunch, and they have like a little plate lunch in there, and it's a real hardware store. So if it's Kiwani, I don't know how to talk all this Mississippi, Alabama language, but yeah, Tum Suba, we passed Tum Suba a little while ago. So anyway, yeah, the hardware store and restaurant's back in here somewhere, but I already ate, so I don't need to stop and do that. Me. Well, here I am in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And you're probably thinking, well, I don't know what you're doing by that statue there with some water. Well, it's an important statue, and I'll tell you why in just a second. Because it's in association with this. Yes, look that. It's the Towing Museum. Actually, it's the International Towing Museum here in Chattanooga, and it's filled with exciting tow trucks and towing stuff. So, and there's even a fake tow truck in front, if you can see that, made out of some metal. But let's talk about this for a second. Yeah, this statue is actually dedicated to basically people like first responders, but in particular people in the towing and recovery industry. Because when people are out there trying to get people out of cars that have fallen down in the water and stuff, and recovering the cars and dragging them out of the way so traffic can keep going and stuff. It could be dangerous, and a lot of people get killed basically in the line of doing recovery and towing activities. And so they decided to put this little memorial out in front, and they have a bunch of names of people, and it's going to continue on around. But we'll head inside to the actual museum and see what kind of exciting stuff is going on in there. Well, when I went inside, I was a little disappointed because they said I couldn't shoot any video inside the museum, but they said I could take some still pictures inside the museum. So that's what I did. And now we got a little slideshow starting off with this view. First room you go in and you can see what we're getting into. Some pretty cool old tow trucks, including this one. This one is like the original tow truck. This is the granddaddy of the modern tow truck. And Mr. Holmes here, Ernest Holmes, that's who all this stuff is put together from, began with him. And one of the things that he did was he invented the twin boom tow truck. You can kind of see from this, that's kind of what they were talking about there. And look, there's another different tow truck that's got the twin booms. Some of the funny stuff is that it's not really funny, haha, it's just kind of unusual. I think the first tow truck, if I remember right, they built was on a Cadillac body. So that's why like the front end of these looks all fancy and stuff. And then they'd custom make the back end and all the towing equipment and the booms and all that kind of stuff. Oh, and this is one of my favorites. This is the bubble nose. I'd love to see that coming down the road to help me. I think a bubble nose could do a good job pulling me out of a ditch or something. And this little tow truck, I think was from Japan. And it's like a little mini truck. Like you see those little mini trucks sometimes around here. They use them for the crawfish ponds and stuff. And it's kind of like that, except it's got a little boom on the back, and it's a little tow truck for towing little cars. And there's another kind of a bubble nose, big Chevrolet, big Brutus. Oh, and look that. This tow truck is not just a cool tow truck. It's the world's fastest wrecker. And you can see on the side, they put all the stats on it from when it set its world record and all. And that's a 1979 Chevrolet, I believe. And along the back wall there, they have hundreds of little tow truck toys. They have little Hot Wheels tow trucks and Matchbox tow trucks and Tootsie toy tow trucks and Tonka tow trucks and Lego tow trucks and I don't know what else. They also have some cool tow truck wardrobe, like jackets and stuff like that. So, and they have like over on the right, you see the real old-timey big coat that the tow truck driver could wear to keep himself from getting all rained on or whatever else was going on at the time. And then there's a back room you get to, and there's a few more tow trucks back in there and a lot of equipment that you would see in the shops and stuff they would use. And then way in the back, there's pedal power. And these are actually pedal car / trucks that have little tow truck pieces on the back. And there's some cool old gas pumps, and including a cool space age one over on the right there for the mobile gas. Look that! It's like a R2-D2 with gas pump arms coming out of him. Look that! As you're walking out, you get to see this, the Hall of Fame of the tow truck industry. And they induct people from all over the world, not just the country, the world. And they have their pictures all along the wall. And you can see that, and you can look and see, they probably got somebody from your home area, your home state, or your home country. If you're from another country, you probably recognize somebody. Yep, well, I bet y'all never thought you'd see the International Tow Truck Museum, but now you can see it. And you can go and see even more stuff that I didn't take pictures of, because there's a lot of stuff in there. It's pretty cool. A lot more cooler than you might think. So, we got other things to see in Chattanooga, so you better stay tuned for the next Looked At.